Hello, we are Eli Norris and Emily Hagood from Arizona State University, and we are BIOCHARming agriculture. Biochar is like the little engine that could in three main ways. It's an existing technology, it has amazing properties, and it has the potential to do great things within the right system.
Biochar is a carbon-dense charcoal material created through a process known as pyrolysis. A feedstock or biomass is baked in the absence of oxygen. This results in the sequestering of carbon as well as an increased fertility when used within agriculture. Now, given these three problem statements under the topic of business transforming development, we are redesigning the organic waste management system in Phoenix to produce biochar for soil enhancement. With consideration of SDG 11 and its goal to foster sustainable cities and communities, a study conducted by the city of Phoenix in 2018 found that just over a third of residential garbage is organic material that emits methane and CO2 as it decays in landfills. 70% of water is diverted to agriculture. This and the depletion of aquifers. This leads to the depletion of aquifers. Monoculture farming depletes soil nutrients.
To utilize the organic waste from the city of Phoenix and address agricultural issues in rural Arizona, we propose a new system of organic waste management in Arizona. Biomass waste collected in the city of Phoenix and from surrounding farms is sent to an industrial pyrolysis facility for biochar production. That biochar is then sent back to the Arizona farms for soil enhancement and back to the city for urban applications such as community gardens. Within Phoenix, we'll be building on existing waste management infrastructure and diversion goals. Any one or a combination of these three collection methods would be used for collecting the biowaste feedstock, which would include food waste, lawn clippings, etc. The biowaste collection relies on partnerships with two divisions within the Phoenix Public Works Department Solid Waste Program for collection and operations and transport, respectively. The big idea for an industrial pyrolyzer facility is that biomass waste comes in and biochar comes out. And while, as in this diagram, we hope to eventually have an industrial scale facility, for testing and proof of concept purposes, the city of Phoenix could start with a small pyrolysis facility that's only connected to the city of Phoenix. Farms where the biochar would be applied for agricultural purposes would benefit greatly from those biochar applications. Biochar improves soil richness and soil water retention, which directly address the problems of soil degradation and irrigation. Biochar also improves the agricultural yield and reduces soil acidity and eutrophication, which are two problems caused by nitrogen fertilizers.
Because biochar is slightly negative charge, it attracts positive charges such as calcium and potassium found within the soil. This leads to what makes biochar so special is its porous structure. 1 gram of biochar has a surface area of 2 tennis courts. This provides a habitat for microorganisms and microbacteria to further help develop the soil.
And it also helps retain the water in that porous structure. The big idea of our proposed system is to transition municipal organic waste into being a resource stream. All of the technological components of this system already exist, but the waste management system as a whole, however, is innovative in its scale and its urban-rural connections. We identify 3 potential problems that would need to be addressed. These 3 problems could respectively be addressed by small-scale testing, an education campaign about what does and does not qualify for this resource stream, and by a drying system at the pyrolysis facility. We would be looking at leveraging the economic benefits of biochar and this biochar system to capture buy-in and funding from the city of Phoenix and corporate sponsors.
Scalability. Now, the system can be replicated in other cities surrounded by rural areas, and it's not uniquely a solution for Phoenix.
So big picture, by protecting and enhancing soil, biochar is the first step to regenerative agriculture in Arizona and around the country, which is a necessary step in climate action and in the protection of water and food supplies. Help us shift biochar from the stage of I think I can to I knew I could.